Life of Palos is joining us today to give us information on COPPA, a very important issue.
And if the FTC is bringing independent piecemeal actions against content creators for violating COPPA, that may discourage content creators from posting content on YouTube. The analogy that I think of, the expression about shooting fish in a barrel. And YouTube is the barrel, and the content creators are the fish.
So what are we talking about today, guys? We're actually talking about COPPA. So if you don't know what COPPA is, it's the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. I've actually been doing a ton of research on this over the past couple months in particular. COPPA was passed back in 1998. It took effect in 2000, and essentially 20 years after the original passage of the bill, it goes up for updates, essentially. They let 20 years go by, they have to re-examine it after that point. That's kind of where we are right now. COPPA essentially stops websites, companies, creators from gathering data from people under a certain age. The age limit was 13 over the past 20 years. So basically, if you were under 13, it was illegal to basically collect data and use that data to sort of re-serve you advertising based on the information and personal data they collected from you. The scary thing here, and the thing that is about to take effect sometime over the next couple of weeks, is the FTC, if it determines that what you classified as adult content was actually something that could be perceived as kids content under their classification, they can fine you $42,000 per infringement. Now think about all the hundreds and in some cases thousands of videos that are put up by your favorite supercar community creators. We're talking about pranks, we're talking about anything that could be enjoyed by someone under 13. If the FTC determines that that content appeals to children, that is the actual phraseology they use in the FTC guidelines, if it appeals to children, it can be labeled 100% children's content, and therefore subject to a $42,000 fine from the FTC. And sadly, it actually gets worse on top of the fines. Not only can the FTC determine whether or not your content is for kids or not, YouTube can also, in their sort of sovereignty, basically determine that you're for kids as well without any consent to you. If your content gets labeled as being something appealing to kids, here are some of the things that get immediately removed from all of your videos.
If you mark a specific video as made for kids, features like comments, personalized advertising, info cards, end screens, and more won't be available on individual videos. Your channel also won't have stories, the community tab, the notification bell, and your viewers won't be able to save to watch later or save to playlist. Keep in mind that these restrictions are to follow the law. Most importantly, those videos won't show personalized ads, so some creators may see a decrease in revenue.
Pretty much everything that makes a YouTube channel gets completely taken away and you are unmonetized 100%. So there's a very brief overview of some of the scarier things that have occurred under the new FTC guidelines for COPPA.
Thank you so much for viewing another episode of B. Mackin Car Community News. Please share, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to like that video.